So, my mama always told me wind and stones might hurt your rover, but dirt would never hurt. Well, unfortunately for the Mars exploration rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, that's just not so. So we got one plane with a rock, the other one's still stuck in the dirt. What are you going to do? Today on Planet 2 Television. Spirit continues to profile the geology at an embedded location called Troy on the west side of home plate. However, the rover is currently affected by a large regional dust storm. Although orbital observations indicate the storm is abating, the skies over Gusev crater are expected to remain dusty for several sols. As a result, the rover team has begun being conservative with Spirit's planning, keeping energy consumption low and maintaining high states of charge in the batteries until the sky is clear. Spirit began the week continuing along Mossbauer or MB integration of the surface target Polyphemus I on Sol 2006, which is August 24th, 2009 Earth time. Spirit initiated a set of pinotrometer experiments to directly measure physical properties of the abetting soil. The rock abrasion tool, or RAT, was pressed into the soil at 3 different preload levels of force. The resulting indentation, or soil penetration, after each preload was then documented with a set of images. Also on the same Sol, an atmospheric argon measurement was collected with the Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, or APXS, and the MB was placed for another multi-soil integration. On Earth, testing is being done with 2 different weight rovers. The Full Weights Surface System Testbed, or SSTB, rover and the Near Mars Weight STB Light rover in 2 different soil stimulants. Testing with both rovers will help to determine the effects of different gravity on Earth-based test results, all in preparation for the first extraction moves on Mars. Atmospheric conditions have deteriorated owing to the large regional dust storm. As of Sol 2007, or August 25th, 2009, Spirit's solar array energy production was precipitously down to 322 watt-hours, with a large increase in the atmospheric opacity, or tau, to 2.61. The dust factor declined to 0.658, meaning that about 65.8% of the sunlight hitting the solar array penetrates through the dust on the array. Spirit's total odometry remains at 7,729.93 meters, or 4.8 miles. Now, Opportunity is continuing its contact investigation of the 70 centimeter or 28-inch meteorite called Block Island. On Sol 1981, August 20th, 2009, the rover performed a small rotation that moved the robotic arm, Instrument Deployed Device, or IDO, in azimuth to reach new targets on the meteorite. On the next sol, the IDD collected a stack of microscopic imager or MI images of new targets and then placed the alpha particle X-ray spectrometer or APXS onto a target. The IDD changed tools the following sol from APXS to the Moss-Bauer, again the MB, spectrometer and placed it on the target's Sias Swamp 2 for a multi-sol integration. On Sol 1986, August 25, 2009, the Moss-Bauer was retracted in an ambitious MI imaging campaign, including stereo imaging, was performed on the surface of the meteorite. At the end of that, the MB or Moss-Bauer was placed for continuous integration. The shroud of a miniature thermal emission spectrometer, or the mini-TESS, continues to be left open on scheduled sols to allow the environment to clean putative dust contamination from the elevation mirror. No improvement in the mini-TESS performance has been observed so far, but the rover has seen no wind events. As of Sol 1986, or August 26, 2009, Opportunity's solar array energy production was 553 watt-hours with an atmospheric opacity, or tau, of 0.526 and a dust factor of 0.550. The rover's total odometry was 17,229.16 meters, or 10.71 miles. Stop.